Good morning, students. Let's see what to read in the Indian Express on 27th September. The first news here is Wangchuk held under NSA. I want you to go through NSA, the provisions of NSA, and why some provisions are controversial in it. Next is H3N2 flu cases rise in Delhi. Doctors urge precaution. So see what is H3N2 flu, what is the vaccine available, and how this classification is done. It is based. It is important for your science portion in prelims examination. Next is come up with concrete plan to ensure Delhi NCR markets have only green crackers. Supreme Court tells center. So what are green crackers? Which chemicals are used in it, and how is it safe for the environment? You can say relatively safe for the environment. Next is India needs a plan. So basically, China has announced during a United Nations General Assembly event that it will no longer seek special and differential treatment in future WTO negotiation. What it is about? Just go through this article for it. Next is Delhi to Beijing with caveats. So here the full history of India-China relationship since independence is given. Just a brief thing is given, so you can go through it to understand the India-China relationship and the evolution of this relationship. Next is H1B visa fee risks to service sectors appear manageable. This finance ministry in finance ministry's monthly economic review. This has been said by finance ministry. Just go through it. What will be the impact of H1B visa fee on India? Next is one understanding the rupees slide against the US dollar. The rupees sliding against US dollar. How the slide is going on and what are the impact on the Indian economy. Just go through this. Next is India EU strategic agenda. So one document is issued by European Union. So just go through this for understanding India European Union relationship in the recent times. So this was all in the Indian Express. Thank you.